Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Stop jumping from one grammar video to another, because today I'm going to show you the perfect daily routine that will help you speak English naturally, faster than you imagine. Follow this plan for just 30 days, and you'll see a big difference in your speaking confidence. Morning routine, 30 to 45 minutes. Start your day with English energy. Listen and repeat, 10 minutes. Play a short English podcast or dialogue. Listen carefully and repeat aloud exactly what you hear. Imitate the tone, accent, and emotion. This trains your ear and mouth to work together. The secret of fluency. Word power, 10 minutes. Learn 5 new useful words every morning. Write their meanings and create one sentence for each. Example: achieve, to reach a goal. I want to achieve fluency in English. Use these words throughout your day whenever possible. Morning affirmations, 5 minutes. Start your day with confidence. Say aloud, I can speak English confidently. I am improving every day. English is easy for me. Positive energy sets the tone for the rest of your learning. Brain warm-up. Ambient English. 5 minutes. While drinking tea or getting ready, play a light English audio in the background. Your brain passively absorbs rhythm, accent, and flow, like a baby learns language naturally. Daytime routine. 60 minutes. Flexible. Use your day to live in English, not just study it. Think in English. 15 minutes. Whatever you do, describe it in English in your mind. Example: I am brushing my teeth. I am waiting for the bus. This builds your internal English voice and makes speaking automatic. Watch and learn. 20 minutes. Watch one short video, vlog, or cartoon in English with subtitles. Note down 3 new expressions. For example, what's going on? Take your time. I'm in a hurry. Say them aloud and use them later in conversation. Mirror speaking, 10 minutes. Stand in front of a mirror and speak about any topic, your routine, your favorite movie, or your weekend plan. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on fluency and body language. Record yourself once a week and notice the improvement. Micro input bursts, 15 minutes. Use the 15-30-15 model. 15 minutes. Review what you learned yesterday. 30 minutes. Learn or listen to something new. 15 minutes. Reinforce by speaking or writing. Small, consistent sessions are better than long, tiring study hours. Evening routine, 45 to 60 minutes. Evening is the best time to review and strengthen your skills. Grammar in action, 15 minutes. Choose one grammar topic each day, like present tense, prepositions, or modal verbs. Make 5 sentences from your real life. Example: I am reading now. I went to work yesterday. I will call you tomorrow. Using grammar in your own context makes it natural. Read and speak, 15 minutes. Pick a small article, story, or news piece. Read it aloud slowly and clearly. Then, close it and explain what you understood in your own words. This builds pronunciation, understanding, and speaking flow. English journal writing, 10 minutes. Before bed, write 5 lines about your day. Example: today I learned 5 new English words. I watched an English video. I spoke with my friend in English. I made a few mistakes, but I tried my best. Daily journaling improves your writing and memory. Repeated reading, 10 minutes. Take a short passage you read earlier this week and read it again. You'll notice improved speed and confidence. Repetition builds fluency. Fluency doesn't come overnight. It grows with daily effort. Just 30 minutes a day can completely transform your confidence. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Follow this simple daily routine for 30 days, and you'll start thinking in English, speaking naturally, and enjoying the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Start your 30-day fluency journey today and make English a part of your life.